Hi, my name is Matt Foss and I am the owner of SalesLobby. I want to keep this video short but to the point, just like your sales process should be. A few years ago, whenever I came up with a new idea or a new product, it would take weeks if not months to put it to the market. I would need clever coders to build me websites, funnels, etc. and it would cost me tons of money. So I thought to myself, how can I make this easier? For not only me, but for everyone. And that's where SalesLobby was created. We have created the ultimate tool that turns your visitors into leads and, more importantly, customers. We've made it that easy for everyone that even my 7-year-old can use it, so anybody can use this product. The best part is that we do not ask for any payment details until you are happy with the product. So you can go ahead, take a free trial without entering any payment details, try the product out, then if you are happy, then you make payment. So it's as simple as that. Go ahead, click the button, create a free account, have a play, tell us if you like it. If you do, carry on using it. If you don't, we also like that feedback as well. So go ahead, click the button below, take a free trial, and we will see you on the inside.